Plant FAQs, Hoya Meredithii. Frequently asked questions about Hoya Meredithii. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a passionate plant enthusiast and I get a lot of questions about Hoya Meredithii, a truly captivating succulent vine. So, I decided to compile a list of the most common queries to help you with this unique plant. What is Hoya Meredithii? Hoya Meredithii, also known as the silver dollar Hoya, is a stunning succulent vine prized for its plump, round leaves that resemble silver dollars. These leaves boast a beautiful marbled variegation, with shades of green and cream swirling across their surface. As the vine matures, it produces clusters of fragrant, star-shaped flowers that add another layer of charm to this already captivating plant. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. Hoya Meredithii versus Hoya Publicalyx. What's the difference? Hoya Meredithii is often confused with its close relative, Hoya Publicalyx, commonly called the silver dollar plant. While they share some similarities, there are key distinctions to keep in mind. Leaves. Hoya Meredithii's leaves are typically rounder and have a more pronounced marbled variegation compared to Hoya Publicalyx's slightly oval and subtly variegated leaves. Flowers. Hoya Meredithii's flowers are generally smaller and have a more waxy texture than Hoya Publicalyx's blooms. Growth habit. Hoya Meredithii tends to grow slower and more compactly than Hoya Publicalyx, making it a great choice for smaller spaces. How to care for Hoya Meredithii. Providing proper care for your Hoya Meredithii is essential for it to thrive. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Hoya Meredithii prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water your Hoya Meredithii only when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. Overwatering is a major threat to this plant's health. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for succulents or cacti. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month. Humidity. Hoya Meredithii appreciates moderate to high humidity levels. You can increase humidity around your plant using a humidifier or pebble tray. Common problems with Hoya Meredithii. Here are some common issues you might encounter with your Hoya Meredithii and how to address them. Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of overwatering. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Drooping leaves. This can be caused by underwatering. Give your plant a thorough drink when the soil is dry. Lack of blooms. Insufficient light is a common culprit. Ensure your Hoya Meredithii receives enough bright, indirect light. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking insects can infest your plant. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Can Hoya Meredithii be propagated? Absolutely. Hoya Meredithii can be easily propagated through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with a few nodes, allow the cut end to callus over for a day or two, and then plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not soggy and provide bright, indirect light. With proper care, your cutting should root within a few weeks. Where can I buy Hoya Meredithii? Hoya Meredithii can be found at some local nurseries and garden centers. It's also widely available online from reputable plant retailers. Be sure to choose a healthy plant with plump leaves and no signs of pests or diseases. Final thoughts on Hoya Meredithii. Hoya Meredithii is a captivating succulent vine that adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. With its beautiful foliage, fragrant flowers, and relatively low maintenance care requirements, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a unique and rewarding plant to add to your collection, consider giving Hoya Meredithii a try.